Introducing Graceful Fleur, the perfect solution for fresh and long-lasting flowers. Our forever roses are 100% real and natural, handpicked at their peak of beauty and preserved using a non-toxic process. With our roses, you'll never have to worry about maintenance. No watering, no sunlight required. Our preserved roses in a box measure 2 to 2.5 inches in diameter, arranged beautifully in a square box with gold print. It's the perfect gift for her, for any occasion like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, anniversary, or birthday. The Eternal Rose comes in a bow-tied gift box, making it the ultimate gesture of love and appreciation. Give her the gift of fresh flowers that last for years with Graceful Fleur.